Big day today here. We have a new ultralight drone. Let's get to flying it and I'll talk to you about some of its features while it's up in the air. So a couple things. In this video, I'm going to add a new feature. In addition to flying it, showing you it, wait till the end of this video. I'm going to include answers to the top 3 questions that I found on Google about this drone. I'm going to give you my answers from my experience. You see me flying it now. I'm going to give you the real world answers to those questions I found on Google. Right now, let's talk about some of the features about this. This is ultra lightweight, underneath that 249 grams, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. I'm going to jump in right here just because that is the absolute #1 question on Google. Everybody asks, what about the weight? Is it below that threshold? And it absolutely is. You do not need to register this with the FAA, but be really careful and smart and respectful of local regulation. Comes with a really cool, sophisticated looking remote. It is GPS enabled, so it should have a really good return to home, great control. It only comes with 1 battery in the particular configuration that I got it in. Comes with replacement blades, a USB, some basic tools, some features that you want to know about. This is 4K. It says ultra high definition. I'm assuming that's going to be 4K 30. Question number 2. How good is the camera? Now, obviously, it is 4K 30, the true ultra high def, but it is not the same quality as, let's say, a DJI drone, something like that. But obviously it's not in the same price range. Even if it's not quite as good, I do see real value. It has a return to home function as a result. It has smart shooting modes. We'll test all those out. Has brushless motors. Brushless motors always means more power and less energy, so like a better flight time. You can do point of interest settings as well as waypoints, and it should have about a 20-minute fly time on that 1 included battery. Oh man, I know I said you had to wait for these 3 features, but this 3rd question, which is asked on Google all the time, is does it actually fly for 20 minutes on the battery? And I thought it was really very true to that, and I flew it really pretty hard for those 20 minutes, and it really worked out nicely. You've been seeing me do some of the stunts and that kind of stuff. Let's go do that review. Okay, here it is. Let's wrap this up. This Snaptain drone has been exactly what it was supposed to. Let me tell you, I have tested the durability. I've done all the things you shouldn't be doing. I flew it high up in the air on windy days. I flew it through the woods, which obviously you should never do. It definitely went wrong more than once, but that was because I was doing those things that you shouldn't be doing and testing it out. And I have to say, it has survived. It has worked well even through that. I did find one of the things having nothing to do with me doing stunts, I did find my only complaint about this is it is definitely a little pitchy. Like when you fly and you pitch it a little bit, you definitely can see a little bit of a pitch in the image and that kind of stuff, but that's kind of what happens when you don't have a 3-axis gimbal, which you can't have everything, right? In balance for what this is, where it is in the market, what it's supposed to be at under 250 grams, so it's legal anywhere. You could take it, you could go traveling, you could even travel internationally. You just still have to watch the local rules, but as a general rule throughout the world, under 250 grams, you could fly pretty much anywhere. So I think that's really good. I love the packaging, the bag that it comes with, all that kind of stuff was really nice. I think if you're looking for an advanced beginner, like your first kind of real drone, and you want to be able to travel, get some good video, have fun, all that kind of stuff, this is definitely a good recommendation for that. I'm not going to give it a 5 out of 5. I'm going to move the score to a 3 out of 3 possibility, and I'm going to give it a 2.49 at like 249 grams. 2.49 out of 3. A really good score, a really good advanced beginner drone. If you're looking for one, go for this guy. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time. This is the time where I am always so jealous. You've seen it fly. You heard the review. I haven't even gotten into the box yet. Let's unbox it and see what it comes with. So just looking at the box and everything I've read, it is a very competent drone, just full of features. So it comes with a carrying case, and I also like when they come with these bags, because this is really nice if you're traveling and you want to put it in your suitcase or something, and you want it basically not waterproof, but weather sealed in case like your wife's makeup spills in the bag or something like that. All right, let's see what's inside this. This is a really nice looking carrying case. This could be one of my favorites that I've seen. Okay, here we go. Woo, there's the magic. There is that remote control. This is a nice big remote control. I've actually seen a very similar remote control to this with some other models, and I really like this remote control. Probably said it in the review, but I love the just solid conventional return to home button as well as the speed button right there. I'm gonna make you wait a minute to see the drone itself. Here is the one battery that is included with it. It's kind of a small, ooh, it's super lightweight, smaller battery, but obviously that's how it's gonna be under that 249 grams. These are gonna be your spare blades. Let's take a look at the drone, right? Oh, I can tell picking it up already. It is so lightweight. That is so cool. All right, so let's take these cute little wrappings off here. Let's go like so, pull that off. So there it is, all unpackaged. All the stickers are off. It is super lightweight. Has the gimbal on the front. Looks like a great, it is a sharp looking drone. I actually left this sticker on there because I thought that was a kind of cool looking ultra lightweight 249 gram sticker. The micro SD card goes right there on the side. Overall, looks super cool. I am so jealous. You've seen it fly, you've seen the review. I'm just sitting here looking at it. I need to go. I gotta go play with this thing. See you next time.